Good morning, welcome to today's video. Boys ride this morning because the girls are sitting around doing nothing at home. And it's raining a bit and we just wanted to get out and have a little bit of a spin in preparation for later on where we're going to the world's first, the UK's first, Newcastle's first, I think it's the UK's first socially distanced gig. We're literally going to a festival, but we're going to be in little pens and there'll be a massive stage and then we can watch the bands. Not really sure what to expect. I'll tell you, it's so nice being able to come out of where you're staying and immediately be on nice roads. There's no commuting to your rides around here like there is in London. That's what you have to do.
You do, it's bonkers.
Someone said it to me the other day, like, you literally, to ride in the Surrey Hills, it's 45 minutes of shit.
Yeah, it was similar when we were out Hackney Way. Like 40 minutes, hour, just to get to like average lanes, not even good ones. It's different stages, you were saying. Yeah. Thank you for everyone's concern about my arms and your brilliant suggestions. The swelling has moved from my elbow now like further down my arm, so I'm going to continue with my method which I use for all things that are wrong with me, like all health problems. I just kind of leave them and then they go away. So I'm just going to do that to my arm. That's not a good message to promote though. Is it not? Seek medical advice. Yeah, I mean, disclaimer, seek medical advice. If you need to seek medical advice. Yeah, what you said. It is still significantly bigger than my other arm, but maybe we shouldn't be cycling. We did have some arm wrestling competitions before you got stung, so maybe it's actually just, you just got like pump on there. Well, some geezer sent me a link saying, don't ice it, you should actually, no you don't, what rest, ice, compress, elevate. Yeah. Apparently you should use the muscle. To flush it. Probably. That looks like Tubby Land over there, doesn't it? Yeah. Kind of got the like. Do you think my viewers will know what Tubby Land is? Yeah, it's international, isn't it? They spanned nations. They're alien ways. They are aliens, aren't they? Are they aliens? What are they? Humans. Don't know. Humans in suits. Not, for the little children. They're not real aliens. Put it in the comment section down below. Are Teletubbies aliens or humans in suits? Or some kind of like animal breed or something. How do you know they're not real aliens? Maybe they are aliens. They live over there. Wow, I hate this car. No flat around here. That was actually my next door neighbour. Was it? Yeah, well, 2 doors up. Does everyone know everyone around here? It's like the town from Hot Fuzz. Yeah, just like. The great or good. Unfortunately, you can't stop and talk to him because you just won't have a clue what he's saying. I've got 2 questions for you. Shoot. How's Attacus going and where's everyone's orange jerseys? Question 1, it's been a very challenging year, but it's fantastic. We're very lucky to have an incredible customer base and people which repeat customers and people like what we're doing, which is fucking awesome. Is that right? Right. Number 2 was, where's your orange jerseys? It might turn up just while I'm still here. Possibly, yeah, maybe. That would be cool, because then you can sign them all. We're literally just sat here chatting and people will say hello. This doesn't happen in London, does it? There's something about around here. The air is better. The people are nicer. The water's nicer. The water is nicer. There's no lime scale because it's hard water, not soft water. GCSE chemistry. It's just so peaceful. We stopped at 2 benches on our little spin leg out ride, and both of them are just peaceful. You know? It's 1 car, come on. 2 cars, come on. To be fair, there was that one dodgy geezer in Sunderland who was fishing. Why is he dodgy? Because he's fishing? Nah, because he looked at us dodgy. He didn't. He went, "Way, it's the cyclists!" with a knife in his hand. I guess the knife was for fishing, not us. If he wanted to use his knife to acquire our bikes, he would have done very easily. But he didn't. Speak for yourself. Oh, what are you going to do? Ride off. I didn't think of that. What kind of easy spin was that? I don't know if it was your fault or my fault. You seen in there though, eating a whole pack of Oreos. Oh, really? Didn't even say what's one. Shut up. And don't judge me. Not really sure what we're doing here. I was promised horses, so I got in the car. What are we doing here? Checking out the family animals. Dennis, Badger, Dot, Rosie, George. What's the one-eyed bunny called? Bobby.
Bobby the bunny.
A lot of my mum's animals only have one eye.
Does she gouge them out?
Really
No, she basically just takes in strays. She used to work on a farm, because she used to live on a farm in the 70s, and then afterwards realised she hated it. She also owned a butcher's as well, and then realised she hated it, became a vegetarian, and then now like basically takes in rescue animals. Yeah.
Again, not entirely sure what's going on here. Jimmy seems to be carrying bags of sand around.
Do you know we've slept up here?
Yeah, Emily told me.
Yeah.
You bike packed here.
We did, yeah.
And the
like
horse
the long
stayed
way
with you all
around.
night.
Yeah, so we were by here. The two Shetlands that I think you've met were in this field. And they kept coming over and just like the company, I think. I was amazed though how late into the night they eat. To my eyes, it was pretty much black, but they were just still just like horses do.
What are they like?
I just showed you. Just replay it.
How are you? Yeah, Polo. That's an extra strong mint.
I thought they ate mince. He kept saying mince in the car.
We don't know what happened to her, but she's only got one eye. This tractor belongs to, you know, Matt Baker off the One Show?
Yeah.
His mum and dad have a farm really close to here, so it's their tractor.
Wow.
If I'm at a gig, if I have a beer, then it's going to be like snowball very, well, potentially badly. I kind of feel like it either needs to be like nut or yeah. It depends what we're planning for tomorrow.
Yeah.
If we're planning like, it looks like the weather might be a bit shit tomorrow, so that means we could just do like a little ride rather than like take advantage of the day and do a long ride. So that, there we go, there's a decision. Do we do a long ride the day after or not? If we do, 0 beer.
No big cameras allowed in here, so phone video from now onwards. This is big.
So we have to sit in a little pen.
You're not allowed to leave it without a mask.
Yeah. We're allowed to leave it to go to the bar or the toilet, and we get to
largest socially distant event.
I mean, she's telling
We want you to have a great time while you're...
For the vlog, this is just sparkling water.
Jimmy's a sparkling
Apple juice.
beer.
They've got pictures, and there's a picture on the side of, I think it's that stuff, and one of the guys that works here was scooping a dead wasp out of it. Just got rid of it.
Always in a wrong place. Honeymoon trip around the sun. It's a long way. You can pick the flight path. Promise we'll be right back. Hot box in the summertime on a runway. Why is it the right times? Always in a wrong place. Honeymoon trip around the sun. It's a long way. You can pick the flight path. Promise we'll be right back. Newcastle, good night.
Really glad you waited 3 hours to see the only song that you knew, right?
Would you get it?
That's disgusting. Yeah, would you not? I always wait for Francis up to get them.
Will you pick that up?
There he fucking is!
With what?
Your hands?
There's literally always one. He's usually
Your
like
asshole?
No, Jimmy, look, Jimmy.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it. We got a slug as well. Our house has turned into a wildlife show. Francis, what do you need to pick that thing up?
Bit of paper.
Bit of paper and a cup.
Do you know, I watched something the other day which was saying, beware of big spiders at this time of year because they're looking for houses to nest in, or because it's getting cold or whatever the fuck it is.
But they're good for the house.
Where has that come from? How has that got in?
I don't know, through the door.
We don't let, there's never a moment that a spider could get into this house. It's like permanently sealed.
We got like a magazine or something.
I've got a fucking flamethrower. Do we need stairs? Can we get rid of them?
Oh my god, that was in our house!
Francis, it's bigger than your head. It's cardboard at the bottom, so we can just set it on fire from the bottom.
But if I get it to bite the wasp sting,
maybe that is
it
what
cancels
bit you.
out.
Maybe that did bite you.
Try and hold it.